Who wants some goddamn Chinese food? This is what you need for your egg shrimp. This is what you need for your shrimp egg rolls. God damn it. God damn, I can't even get the goddamn.
You relaxed?
I'm relaxed. You need washed shrimp. You need egg roll wrappers. Cabbage and carrots. That's all I'm using, okay? Cabbage, carrots, egg roll wrappers, and shrimp, okay? We're gonna get the saute these bad boys because I am hungry, man. I am trying to talk to y'all and I'm hungry as hell. We're gonna saute the shrimps. Yes. Y'all know I always say you cannot have seafood without good old Obey, alright? Add a little bit of Obey. Add a little bit of garlic salt. This is what you need. Obey and garlic salt, alright? Voila. You're gonna throw the top on this bad boy and let these bad boys steam up, alright? First you wanna mix them up though. Mix them bad boys up, okay? I got butter over here. Hold on. Mix it up. Make sure you got seasoning on all the shrimps. And then throw the lid on there. You wanna partially cook them to they pink, because remember you still wanna cook them when you put them in the oil to fry with the vegetables and all that stuff, okay? Alright, your shrimp is frying, so you might as well just go ahead and get this lettuce done. Not, goddamn it. You got to get your goddamn cabbage. So we're going to go ahead and cut this cabbage up, guys. Voila. Bam. Man, you're feet though. Now, I'm going to try to cut this the best way I can. Alright, now that the shrimp is done, we're going to go ahead and cook these vegetables up a little bit. Get your butter, push it around, cabbage, and carrots, okay? You're only going to want to stir fry this for about 1 minute top. You don't want to overcook your vegetables, okay? You're going to add a little bit of salt. And we'll add a little bit of pepper, okay? Just a tad bit more, a little butter, okay? Because you want to fry it up. You want to get that cabbage nicely cooked. So I'm going to have to cut some more cabbage up because remember, I'm cooking for 4 people and this thing's going to be enough. I'm just going to let that fry for a second, then we're going to take it off. Now for your glue, we're going to add some flour and some water, okay? Get the water. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this bad boy up because you're going to want something to hold them wraps together, okay? Glue. It's going to be your paste, your glue, whatever you want to call it, okay? Show y'all how to roll these bad boys up and get your shrimp. I'm going to do 4 shrimps. 4 good old shrimps, okay? We have what? Shrimp. Oh, my shrimp. I know. I'm gonna bring it in. I know. Okay. I'm gonna bring it in. I got you. I was struggling trying to roll, man. It sucks because I'm not a very patient person. Okay. Now we're gonna start the rolling process. So I want to get this packed. Okay. We're gonna pack that in there. All right. And then we want to push that in. You want to push that in. Now we got the glue. Yeah, you can go ahead. That's going to hold it together. Now we're going to go ahead and roll. Bam! Look at that, y'all. Bam! Bam, son. Look at, oh shit. Let me get a little bit more glue. I know it.
Calm down.
And bam! All right. I'm gonna do about 5 more so we can get to frying these bad boys. All right, y'all. We finally got all these egg rolls rolled up, man. As y'all can see, it's about 20. Let's go ahead and throw these bad boys in there, man. I already got the oil heating up, and voila! Let's throw some more in there. So we're just gonna let these bad boys fry for like a minute or 2 because everything is cooked already. You just want to cook them until this is hard. Golden brown, yes, golden brown. Bam, let's throw one more. We don't want to overcrowd it. That's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes, I would say. And it smells really, really good, y'all. Oh, yeah. You also want to check to make sure you don't have to flip them. As you can see here, this one needs to be flipped. So go ahead and flip them. Need be, all right? All right, let me show you all a couple that's about to come out. I got me a napkin with a plate over, plate. You get right. All right, this one is done. So we take this out, let that drain a little bit. Then we're gonna set that bad boy on that paper towel, y'all. Oh yeah, this is smelling so good, y'all. This one's not quite done yet. It don't want to stay over for some reason. Look at that. It don't want to stay over. This one is done. Ready to come out. Drain it. And throw that bad boy on the paper, on the napkin, all right? Bam. I am finally done with the egg rolls, man. I'm gonna cut one in half for y'all just to show y'all what it looks like. Look at that, y'all. I could have did one for your thing. Look at that, y'all. Got your shrimp. You got, look at that. That's just savory. You know, I gotta get a bite for y'all, man. Come on, bring it in. Bring it in.
You're getting on my nerves today, really.
That's good, y'all. It's good. I'm about to go smash this. I think anything watching, I'll see y'all.